Hello once again, all my dear little angelic students. Now, in this new video, I will show you some very special techniques of addition using the techniques of speed mental math. And this is also based on the concept of 11 only. So, in the last three videos, we have discussed how to multiply by series of 11, 11, triple error, triple one, triple means 1, 1, 1, then 4, 1 repeated 4 times, 5 times. We also studied how to find the squares of 11 series and how to find the squares of other digits, double two, triple three, and all that. Now in this video, I will show you how to do special multiplication. There are some special patterns of multiplication of one only, double one, triple one. How you use that concept for addition. So for that, I am sharing my screen with you. So please come to my screen and then I will show you how to find that, how to do addition. Yes. So I hope my screen is visible to all of you and that I'm audible to all of you. Now suppose you have to add these numbers 4 plus double 4 plus triple 4 plus 4 triple 4 4 4 4 4 and then 4 repeat is 5 times. You have to add this number. If you go by the school method, you will write and then you will add 4 4 4. It is like a cumbersome thing. But I will show you how I will add using a special technique in just fraction of a second. Now for that, again I will take you back. If you add 1 plus 11, you get 1 2. If you add 1 plus 11 plus triple 1, you get 1 2 3. In the same way, if you add 1 11 triple 1 and then 4 1, you get 1 2 3 4. In the same way, 1 11 triple 1 4 1 and then 5 1, you get answer as 1 2 3 4 5. Now you can recognize the pattern. If suppose I add one more triple 1 means 6 times 1, the answer will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what is the last number? The answer will be, suppose there is a 5 digits, my answer will be 1 2 3 4 5. If there are 6 digits, my answer will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I will use this concept for adding the numbers which I have shown you, 4 double 4 triple 4. I will use this concept. In the same way, if I have to add 0 plus 0 0.1 plus 0 0.11, I will get 0 0.21. If I add 0 0.1, 0 0.11, 0 0.111, I will get 0 0.321. Now it is a reverse way. It is a reverse way. Now 0 0.1, 0 0.11, 0 0.111, 0 0.41, I get 0 0.4321. And if there are 5 ones, I get 0 0.54321, right? So if I add these numbers, 1 double 1 triple 1, I get 1 2 3, means starting from 1. If I start adding 0 0.1 series, I get numbers from the reverse way, like 2 1 3 1 3 2 1 4 3 2 1. So I will use both this concept for adding this number 4 double 4 triple 4. Now here you see, in this series, I can take 4 common out and the number becomes 1 double 1 triple 1 4 1 and 5 1. Now I know this answer is, what is the answer for this number? 1 2 3 4 5, that I have shown you previously. The answer for this number is 1 2 3 4 5 and 4 is outside. So I multiply 4 by all these numbers. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. Now as you can see, these three numbers 12, 16, 20 are the double digit numbers, and I do not require a double digit number. I require a single digit number. So what I will do, I will do balancing of all these numbers. I move 1 to the next number, 1 to the next number, 2 to the next number. So what I get, 4, 8 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 6 plus 2. After getting all this addition of balancing, what the answer is? 49380. 49380, right? 49380. My answer is 49380. In the same way, suppose you have the number 6 plus double 6 plus triple 6 plus 6, 6, 6, 6 means 4 times 6 and then 5 times 6. I take 6 the common out and then 1 double 1 triple 1 4 1 5 1. Now I know the answer. I know that what is the total of this series. I have shown you there are 5. In the end, I am getting 5 series of 1. So answer will be 6 into 1 2 3 4 5. Why it is 5? Because my last number is 5 series of 1, right? So I multiply 6 by 1, I multiply 6 by 2, I multiply 6 by 3, 6 by 4, 6 by 5. So what I get? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Now all these numbers are double digit numbers and I have to get them balanced to get a single digit number. So what I do, I keep on shifting the extra digit. Here one is extra, one is extra, here again one is extra. So I keep on shifting this number. Here 2 is extra, I shift to the next number. Here 3 is extra, I keep on shifting. See what I have done. 6 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 4 plus 3. Keep on shifting to the next number. So after balancing, what do you get? 7, 3, 10, 7, 0. Here again, 10 is a double digit number. So I have to rebalance it. I have to get balance again. I move 1 to the next number. So I get 7, 3 plus 1, 0, 7, 0. And my final answer will be 74070. Right? In the same way, you can add all these numbers. The series of 8, 7, 9. Now here I'm showing you one other very concept. 4.4, double 4.44, triple 4.444, then double 4.444. Now here you see decimal number is there, 0.4, 0.44, 0.444, 0.4444. Four repeat is 4 times. Now what I do, I take 4 common, means 4, what I get, 4, double 4, triple 4, then 4 repeat is 4 times. So I know what is this. I take 4 common out and then I get 1, 2, 3, 4. I get 1, double 1, triple 1, and then 4 times 1. So I multiply. I know what the sum will be, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same way, when I add 0.4, 0.44, 0.444, 0.444, what I know, I'll take 4 common out. What I'll get? 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 and 0.1111. So I know what is the sum of all these numbers? 4, 3, 2, 1. Neglect the decimal parts. At this position, forget about the decimal part. Just see what I'm doing. I'm neglecting the decimal part. I'm taking the 4 out and I'm I'm writing the sum 4, 3, 2, 1. So again, I multiply 4 by all these numbers. What I get? 4, 8, 12, 16. I get balancing because 12, 16 a double digit number. I do balancing, and after balancing, what do you get? The final answer is 4936. So this number is 4936. Right? Now this number is 4936. Now here 4 into 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the answer? 16, 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 2, 12. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 1, 1. So what I get? These are now the double digit numbers. 12 is a double digit number. So I have to again balance it. Remember, in balancing, only the first position, the leftmost position can be double digit number or triple digit number. Rest all should be a double single digit number. So I take this extra one. I take this extra one to the next position. It becomes 17. 17 to 81. 17 to 81. Now, if you remember, what was the number? How many after a digit of decimal? How many maximum? 4. 4. Look at 4 digits. So I put a decimal after 4 digits. For counting from the right, I put a decimal after 4 digits. I get the answer as 1.7284. Why after 4? Because here the number is double 4 double. After 4 decimal, 4 digits are there. So counting from the right, I put a decimal over here, right? And then what I get? 4936 from this and 1.7.24 from this. So I get 2 numbers now. These 2 numbers I get, right? And then I have to add both these numbers. I add both these numbers. Means I am doing the question in 2 parts. The decimal part separately and the integral part separately. And then I add 1 to this. I get 4937.7281. Sorry, not 4. It is 4. Sorry, I have written 1. It is 4. So it is 4937.7284. It should be 4. Right? I written 1. I don't. So mistake is there. Okay. So 17284, 1.7284. Right? So in this way, you can add this question. In the same way, 5.6, 55.66, 555.666, 555.6666, and then 5 series. Now, same concept is applied over here as in the last question. Only difference is now it is a 5 series, not a 4 series. Last question was a 4 series, it is a 5 series. So I take this 5 common out. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I add, this is the second part, 6 into 0.6 plus 0.66 plus 0.666, 0. This portion and 0.5 series 6666. So I know what is the sum. 54321 means again adding in 2 parts. So I first calculate this value. I get after all doing balancing, I get this answer. So this is my answer for the first part. For the second part, I again multiply 6 by, I get 30, 24, 18, 12, 6. I balance all these numbers. Because they are double digit numbers, I have to get them balanced. So I balance all these numbers. After balancing, what do we get? 325926. Now I will put a decimal. Till here, forget the decimal part. Now here I have to put the decimal. So how many digits are there after decimal? Maximum 5 digits. So I count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put a decimal after 3. So 3.25926 is the sum of all these. 0.6, 0.66, 0.666, 0.6666, and 0.66666. So after adding, what do I get? I get this number. I get this number after doing all final addition. In two parts, I get this addition, and then I add them together. Add them together, and then I add them together. It is very fast now. We just have to, you see, these numbers are there. So I just add 3. The integral parts I add, the decimal part is left behind. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So answer is 61728.25926. You see how fast we can do this question. So in this way, you can do all these questions. I've written 3 questions. You can take any number of questions. The technique is very simple. And the technique is again based on the concept of 1. Today, in all these videos, I'm making the videos on the series of 1 or 11. So 1 plus double 1, 1 plus double 1, triple 1, what number you get, and the same with the decimal part, 0.1, 0.11, and 3 series, and it is just the reverse. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 4, 3, 2, 1, just the reverse. So very simple technique for adding these special numbers. So I hope you must have liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, I will show you some more wonderful techniques of mental addition. So thank you very much. And now I stop sharing with you. So wait for my next video. I will share my next video in a very short time. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.